Retro Gamer here. We got our game mail. We got our game mail coming in from DK Oldies. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Ordered some classics. 3 different classics here. First being Final Fantasy VIII. Come on, tell me what you think. Final Fantasy VIII. It's the only one I like because it was like less cartoonish than all the other ones. For some reason, I just liked it. Next one up, Project Overkill. Spent hours playing this game, literally hours. It was great. And then, now, I wouldn't say there were too many great simulator games for PlayStation 1, but if it had to be any, Ace Combat, definitely. And wow, look at this. I mean, I know they clean all of their discs with a disc cleaner, but I mean, that's just amazing. Let's look at the other one real quick too. I bet it's just as clean. Absolutely. Absolutely. Might be a blemish or two, but you can definitely tell they were cleaned, and I'm sure it works just fine. And if it doesn't, I mean, I'll let you guys know. But so far, DK Oldies, I mean, I got my PlayStation from them. They let me come pick it up locally. So for an online place, I mean, I got 2 local places to me where I can get games, but the selection that DK Oldies has is just huge. But without further delay, let's pop one of these in.